Here it is, the day, not in my hand, zama palas ke na de. Eventually he accepted. Papai ki haga wamanala. I cannot take risks. Zazan pahatra ki nasham achawale. I know what's dead. Mata patada chida sdi. She tried to tell you. Hagi tata dawayalu hasa wakda. Who stole my money? Zama paisi cha patikdi. I feel shame. Z sharam mehsusom. I just don't need it. Bas da zaman de pakar. Will you say something? Ayataba sawai. Did you go there? Ayata halta talewe. What do you say? Tasawai. Perhaps I go there. Shayad cheeza halta ladsham. I'm in a bad state. Z paharap halat ki yam. How about the taste? Aw khwand ye sang de. How did you do it? Ta da sang woko. I am sick of it. Z da dina tang shawe yam. Ask him anything. Sahum da hagana wupuhta. I am sweating. Pama khwala razi. He is looking at me. Haga ma adahta guri. It is hard to please you. Sta khwashalawal grandi. He married for money. Haga paiso da para wada woko. I am delivering the lecture. Z dars warkom. Go from here. Dadi zaina za. No more discussion please. Sewa behes makawai. What actually happened? Shivi so. Who told you this? Tata dacha uwe. I don't mean it. Zama da matlab na de. Is all good? Aya tol khadi. What is happening here? Dalta sa hisab de. Or what is happening here? Dalta sa rawan di. He is still not well. Haga wasapuri la kha na de. This is not a joke. Da satoqi nadi. It's incredible. Da Aryana unke de. How could he do this? Haga da sang kawaleshi. Nothing is impossible. His nashuni nadi. Wait for your turn. Khpali peri ta sabar waka. Try your luck. Khpal bakht wazmeya. Stay happy. Khwashala wusa. Taste it. Da wasaka. Walk slowly. Aqalara za. Think once. Yawzal soch waka. Who provoked you? Tachara parkdi. What do I understand then? Nubyaza sawaganam. That's what I wanted. Da huma gukhto. I agree to this. Z dadi sara mawafiqat kom. I am blushing. Z sharmigam. You are making me fight him. تما هغه سره جنګی. Put the clothes in the shelf. جامی په الماری کې کیدا. The shop is nearby. دکان نزدې دی. What to say now? وس ویم. Let me talk to him. پریږده چې زه د هغه سره خبرې وکم. Let me do this. پریږده چې دا وکم. So what? نو څه. Please do not say like this. داسې مه وایئ. He always speak lie. هغه تل دروغ وایي. He did wrong. هغه غلط وکړو. What is difficult? مشکل څه دی. He asks questions a lot. هغه ډیر سوالونه کوي. Do not complain. ګیله مه کوه. Compose yourself. ځان سنبال کا. Have him seated. هغه کېنوه. Which one to take? کوم اهلی. Where to go? چرته تللی دی. Show something else. څه نور څه وښیه. Don't mess with me. ما سره پنجه مه اهله. Have him seated in. هغه دننه کېنوه. Put it inside. دا دننه کېدوه. Please help yourself. دا واخلئ. Is it true? آیا دا رښتیا دی. I'm asking you something. زه ستانه څه پوښتنه کوم. I told him many times. ما ډیر ځله هغه ته ووی. Or I told him many times. ما ډیرې پیرې هغه ته ووی. It shouldn't be done. داسې نه دی کول پکار. He is a late riser. هغه ناوخته د کټه پاسي. I am an early riser. زه وختي پاسم. Get benefit of it. د دې نه ګټه ترلاسه کا. Leave it to me. دا په ما پرېږده. The door is ajar. ور نیم کولاو دی. What are you talking about? ته په څه اړه خبرې کوې. Why are you looking like this? ته داسې ولې ګورې. This may be true. دا رښتیا کیدی شي. Okay, I quit. سمه ده ما پرېښودو. What actually happened? اصل کې څه شوي وو. Be lenient with him. هغه سره نرمي کوه. Take her with you. هغه ځان سره بوزه. I will do it myself. زه به دا پخپله وکم. He always speak truth. هغه تل رښتیا وایي. Subscribe the channel Pashto Anyone and press the bell icon for more updates. If you like the video, press like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.